Good morning, teacher. My name is Ángel del Peso. Endnagered Animals. An endangered species is biological species that is danger of disappearing, becoming extinct, age global or rhino. This may to do to loss of habitats, smuggling of wild species or for action of invasive species. For reason the worrying about extinction. The extinction of species of biological entities, the disappearance of ecosystems, threat of their species, loss of recalled genetic material. The extinction of species is a critical factor both the rendition of wild nature and for normal issue for the to believe to humans to do the perceive the natural environment whose we has to believe that animal species have legal rights. There are 8,000 breeds of animals on the planet and more than 20 forms are in danger of extinction. Animals in danger of extinction in the world. Mount gorilla, polar bear, iron rice, smooth tiger, red rhino, snow leopard, panda bear, common chimpanzee, pangolin one, barney coyote, sloth one, y bluefin tuna. Man's gorilla, cervic gorilla, and the lots of their hairs. The charges ash color in the back is body unique factors that was emerging approach in the present. The Mount gorilla in the dense clouds and rainforests on the Iberian Balkans. Most gorilla are conscious in the guard, fighting with loss, reaching and the transmitting of disease from humans. There are species of all sizes and shapes. Hunger, the evolution for human race bridge with change, not only for man, but also for all species that share the planet with him. The transmission of virus between humans and species is a factor to take in the account, especially in the middle of 2010. With COVID-19 pandemic, this countries with organizing control tours, expeditions to visit gorillas have had to stop these activities because of the pandemic to avoid contact between species. In the current COVID-19 had also affected these isolated primate colonies. Final conclusion. His not change task, preventing species from disappearing, implies the implement of learning among of races and create actions. Some of the world and above allow the fragmenting of their habitats, for example, deforestation, project and harsh punish illegal hunting and species striking. The creating of natural reserves or the promotion of blending rainfall and genetic improving programs. The fight against pollution and climate change is as the fight for the conservation of animals. Each personal decision has a global concern in the multiple aspects, answer the importance of the social awareness on the population. Thank you.